Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate easy at home. First, gather your ingredients: cocoa powder, sugar, a pinch of salt, and milk. In a saucepan, combine about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tiny pinch of salt. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk, making sure to smooth out any lumps. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's hot but not boiling. To truly elevate your hot chocolate, consider adding a few extra touches. A quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract stirred in at the end can make a big difference. For a richer, more decadent drink, melt in about 1/4 cup of chocolate chips or finely chopped chocolate. You might also experiment with a dash of cinnamon or even a tiny pinch of chili powder for a unique twist. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly heated and flavored, it's time to serve. Carefully pour the warm beverage into your favorite mugs. Now for the fun part: toppings. A generous dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy mini marshmallows are classic choices. For an extra special touch, garnish with some chocolate shavings, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or a light dusting of cocoa powder. For the best results, always use good quality cocoa powder. It truly makes a difference in flavor. Remember to heat your milk gently and avoid letting it come to a full boil, as this can scorch the milk and alter the taste. Finally, feel free to adjust the amount of sugar and chocolate to suit your personal preference for sweetness and richness. Enjoy your delicious homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.